I came from Georgia. I played football in South Carolina for undergraduate school. Ended up going to law school in Georgia, where I grew up, in Atlanta at Georgia State. I had a friend out here in Las Vegas. I always thought I wanted to practice in Miami, Florida. That didn't work out, so my friend knew an attorney out here, bankruptcy attorney at a firm back in 2012. So the second summer of my law school, I ended up interning at a bankruptcy firm here and fell in love with Las Vegas, as you can expect, and decided to come out here. So I actually did my last semester for 5 months, which was good. I got a chance to familiarize myself more with Vegas, and then ultimately ended up staying out here. Did criminal defense, which was great because I was only 27 years old, so as a baby attorney, you don't get much courtroom experience. And then you know, later on in your career, you have to start going to court, and then you're, super scared in front of judges and other attorneys. Been practicing a long time, so I actually did criminal defense there for 3 years. Loved it. Was in court every day. But then I started seeing the firm I was at. We primarily did personal injury, helping people out that are injured. Obviously working, on a contingency fee and being hungry and everything, from a financial standpoint as well. Just seemed like a good fit. So my dad's from Havana, Cuba, and I have a pretty unique background. My great uncle was actually the third president of Cuba, so I really got in touch with my Cuban roots and picked up Spanish and majored in college. Really honed on my Spanish skills with my grandmother, who only spoke Spanish, and yeah, it's been very useful because there aren't a lot of attorneys in Las Vegas that speak Spanish, so it really has become very useful in practice. The birth of my new son has been taking up all my time, but that's been amazing, biggest blessing ever. So got married this year as well, so mainly just spending the quality time with my family. I'm really big going to church as well, but yeah, pretty much wife, new baby, going to church. I do love sports. I played football in college, but my favorite sport is baseball, so I do love watching baseball and then working here.